Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Flavors and Knowledge, where we explore the rich tapestry of culinary tradition, one dish at a time. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. Today, we are diving into a Southern classic that's both comforting and delectable. It's called Alabama Shrimp and Grits. Okay, let's dive into it and see what happens. Alabama Shrimp and Grits is a dish that encapsulates the essence of Southern hospitality and flavor. And I'm inviting you to picture this. Fresh Gulf shrimp cooked to perfection, nestled on a bed of creamy, cheesy grits. It sounds heavenly, doesn't it? But let's break down what makes this dish so unique and special. First, we start with the star of the show, fresh Gulf shrimp. These shrimp are typically large and succulent, coming straight from the Gulf of Mexico. After peeling off and deveined, they are ready to be seasoned. The seasoning blend often includes paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, marine salt, and black pepper, creating a beautiful medley of flavors. But the magic doesn't stop here. The shrimp are cooked in a savory sauce made from garlic, onion, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Sometimes you might find bacon or sausage added to the mix for that extra depth of flavor. A splash of vegetable broth or your favorite wine can elevate the sauce, making it even more delicious. And now let's talk about the grits. Traditional stone ground grits are the gold standard here, appreciated for their texture and flavor. They are slow cooked until they achieve a creamy consistency. And to make them even richer, we add cheese, usually cheddar, but you can experiment with other types as well. Butter and cream are essential, transforming the grits into a velvety bed for our shrimp. You'll probably wonder how it all comes together, right? Well, we start by cooking the grits slowly, using a combination of water, milk, or broth. As they soften, we stir in the cheese, butter, and cream, resulting in a luscious, creamy mixture. Next, we prepare our shrimp, sautéed with garlic, onion, bell pepper, and a wonderful seasoning blend. The shrimp cooked until they are just right, tender, and of course infused with the flavors of the sauce. Finally, we assemble the dish. Spoon the creamy grits on a plate, top with the savory shrimp and the sauce, and garnish with chopped green onions, parsley, or a squeeze of lemon juice for a burst of brightness. There are also variations. The dish is wonderfully versatile. You can add smoked sausage or bacon for a smoky twist, adjust the spiciness with more or less cayenne pepper or hot sauce to suit your palate. Alabama shrimp and grits truly embody Southern comfort food, blending the briny sweetness of shrimp and the rich creamy goodness of the grits. It's a dish that warms the heart and soul. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey through the flavors and knowledge of Alabama shrimp and grits. I hope you're inspired to bring a taste of the South into your own kitchen. Until next time, this is Chef Walter reminding you to savor the flavors and to share the knowledge. That is all for today's episode of Flavors and Knowledge. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and leave a review. Follow us on social media for more culinary insight and delicious recipes. Happy cooking. Ciao, ciao.